morning, dear students. Today we are going to start Unit 11, that is perimeter and area. And the first exercise is based on very simple shape which we have studied till now, that is rectangle and square. So let's recapitulate what we have studied in earlier classes. If we talk about rectangle, then rectangle is a four-sided closed figure. It's a four-sided polygon where opposite sides are equal and parallel. If we talk of its area, then area of rectangle can be calculated with using formula length multiply breadth, and it is always in square units. And if we talk about perimeter, now perimeter is the total length of boundary. Since it has got two length and two breadth, so formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Another shape which we have already studied is a square. Square again is a four-sided polygon having all sides and all angles also equal, and here each angle is 90 degree. In rectangle also each angle is 90 degree, but all the four sides are not equal, opposite sides are equal. But in a square all four sides are equal. So again area is side into side, square units, and since there are four sides and all four sides are equal, so its perimeter is 4 into side units. Now these are the formulas which we are going to use in the first exercise. Now we are going to start exercise 11.1, and the first question is the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meters and 300 meters respectively. Respectively means that the first one is the length, as length is written first, and the next one is the breadth. Find its area. So this is a rectangular piece of land. So let us write down rectangular piece of land. It shows that this piece of land is in the shape of a rectangle. Let us write its length and breadth. Length is 500 meters and breadth is 300 meters. Now what is the formula to calculate its area? It is length multiply breadth. It means 500 multiply 300, and since it is in square units, so we will write down square meters along with it. So 5 3s are 15 and 4 zeros. That means 1,50,000 square meters is the area. And now the second part of the question is we are to find the cost of land. If 1 meter square of land costs rupees 10,000, so cost of 1 meter square of land is equal to rupees 10,000. So cost of 1,50,000 square meters of land is rupees 10,000 multiplied by the area. So that means 4 and 4, 15 followed by 8 zeros. Question number 2 is find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Now we are to find out area of a square, and formula to find out area of square is side multiply side. But we are not given side, we are given perimeter. So from this perimeter, first we will calculate the side. And how we will do it? What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is 4 into side. That should be equal to 320 meters. Now 4, when it will go that side, it will go in division. So side will be 320 divided by 4. So our side comes out to be 80 meters, and now it is very easy for us to calculate the area of square using the formula side into side So it is 80 multiply 80 square meters. So it is 6400 square meters. So here first we have calculated the side from the perimeter, and then using this side we have calculated the area. Question number 3 is, find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meters. Also find its perimeter. So we are given that we have a rectangular plot of land, and of this rectangular plot of land we are given area. And how much is the area which we are given? Yes, its area is 440 meter square. Either you write down meter square or you write down square meters, it is one and the same thing. And another thing which we are given in this question is the length. And how much is the length? Length is 22 meter. So if we are to find out the breadth, then since product of length and breadth is area, so if we are to find out breadth, it is area divided by length. Similarly, if breadth is given to you and you are to find out the length, then length would be area upon breadth. So they both are calculated in the same manner. So it is 440 divided by 22. Either you can directly divide it by 22 or you can divide it by first 2 and then 11 also. If I divide it by 2, then it will be like this, then divided by 11. So anyhow you calculate without making any mistake, you will get the breadth equal to 20 meters. Now we are to find out the perimeter. And what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? Yes, it is 2 into L plus B. So how much is the length? Length we were already given, 22 meters. How much is the breadth? That we have calculated, 20 meters. So it is 2 into 42 meters, and our perimeter is 84 meters. So using area and length, here we have calculated the breadth, and using length and breadth we have calculated the perimeter of this rectangular plot of land. Question number 4 is, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find the area. So here we are given a rectangular sheet and we are given its length, that is 35 centimeter, and we are given the perimeter. First we are going to find out its breadth, because area is calculated by length into breadth. So we need breadth. So for this, let us use the formula of perimeter. It is 2 into L plus B, because we have discussed earlier that in a rectangle, if we calculate, then there are 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So formula comes out to be, when we add all these 4 sides, 2L plus 2B, so 2 into L plus B. So 2 multiply length is 35 and we don't know breadth, let it be B only, and if you want you can suppose it to be X. It is your wish. Now this 2 is in multiplication. When it will go that side, it will be in division. So it will be 100 upon 2 means 50. Now 35 is in addition. When it will go that side, so it will be subtracted. So breadth comes out to be 15 centimeter. Now we have length also, we have breadth also. Now it is easier for us to calculate the area using formula length multiply breadth. How much is the length? It is 35. How much is the breadth? It is 15, and square centimeter, because area is always in square units. So now let us multiply it by 15. 75, 7, and it will be 525 square centimeter. So area of this rectangular sheet is 525 square centimeters.